The first man or boy who comes to me is wearing a pink shirt. Anyone wearing a pink shirt, please come forward. 10, 9. So we have a tie. So I call upon Michael Cardozo to please deal with the situation here. Mr. Michael Cardozo.
The other guys just
Yes, and the winner is Savio Costa. Well, before handing over the spot prize, I would like Savio to say something to us. Anything he wants. The audience, please.
First of all, I would like to wish everyone a happy feast. And it's nice to see all of you here. Have a good night.
I call upon Aubrey to please come forward to present the spot prize. Aubrey, please. Come on, Aubrey. Thank you, Aubrey. Thank you, Savio. So moving